find it one day. I'm going to go ahead here and open it. He comes with a special tag to let you know that it is Bulldozer. He came with an extra jacket with his name on it. It says Bulldozer. These are a little bit better quality because they worked with DC Comics on this to make this uniform for him. He came with his own clips, bullet clips. I don't know if you've seen bullet clips before, but he came with bullet clips. That's something that's special. He came with the helmet. He came with his M1. His M1 opens up because those clips actually go inside. You can put those clips inside. So his M1 even opens up so that you can put the clips down inside of it. And this M1 is a little bit better quality than some of the M1s that Hasbro might have came out with. And here he is. Here's Bulldozer. He actually has laces on his shoes that you have to tie, unlike some of the other shoes that we have that come with Joe. He looks, as I said, a little higher quality than Hasbro made. He does have his nose pickers. We call the way that those hands are styled nose pickers. He has his ammo belt. His pants have the pockets. And he has the American flag on his arm. So this was a pretty nice figure that they came out with. And let me just say that when they came out with this figure, they had an entire line of them. Sergeant Rock. I think there were 6 figures that came out with Sergeant Rock. Right now, you probably would have to pay about $500 or $600 to get all of them. They're not cheap. If you were going to say, well, you know, these are the Cadillacs of Hasbro, they are. They're the high quality Hasbro figures. They were made as part of a special set. You had Sergeant Rock. You had Little Sure Shot. You had Wild Man. You had Jackie Johnson. And you had Bulldozer. In fact, I'll show you the pictures here. Let me move him out of the way so I can show you the pictures. Here are the pictures of some of the others in the set. You could get Wild Man. You get Jackie Johnson. Dreams and Vision, this is the company down here that worked with Hasbro to make these figures. They went a little bit above and beyond Bulldozer. And then there's Sergeant Rock. And you have Little Sure Shot. He was Native American. These were the Men of Easy Company featuring Sergeant Rock. I believe there's an entire comic book for this, for Sergeant Rock, and that's what the figures were made for, to go along with the comic book. When they first came out, they were kind of hot. Everybody wanted them. And if you didn't get it quick, you wouldn't get it at all. And like I said, I went to a show one day, and at that show, I found this. So I snapped it up simply because the guy that was there had a good price on it. It wasn't, it wasn't the real high price that they have on some of the secondary markets right now. So I felt, okay, I'm getting a good deal here. And that's why I snapped it up. These probably were in stores, but I'm not sure if they were. I do not know. The back of the box says that they were limited to 4,000. There were only 4,000 of these made. And that's probably why they're hard. Well, not hard, but that's why the price is expensive, because there are not that many of them out there. Like, share, and comment. Remember, toys are fun.